Hello everyone and welcome to batch 237 in the freeze dryer. It is so hot. I haven't done any batches in the freeze dryer because the heat creates a lot of the pump creates a lot of heat. But I was driving past Save-A-Lot the other day and they had whole pork roasts, loins, the whole loin for 99 cents a pound. I couldn't pass it up, so I went in and I bought one. I cooked it, I cleaned it, I took off all the fat and went ahead and freeze dried a whole load of that. I did actually 3 trays at 1.5 pounds of pork roast, and then one tray was 2.5 pounds of sauerkraut that I cooked with the pork roast. So you'll see little pieces of pork in there and maybe some sauerkraut in with the pork, like right there, but not much. And then of course there was enough left over for a couple days of lunches for my husband and myself, and Nick even didn't think he was going to like it, and he ended up liking it, and he had a little bit of it. So let me show you the notes on the batch of pork roast. So here's how I do it, and I put the month. I can't even remember the day I started it. I didn't know the date that day, so I just left it off. But okay, so let's see. All right, so what we did, it was batch 237, and I started at 12:25 in the afternoon. My cycle, I used a 9-hour freeze and a 24-hour dry. The normal cycle would be 9 and 7. Yeah, 9 and 7, I believe. It's been so long since I've done a normal cycle. And there's just, you know, what I did with the weights of the food. And then here I've already gotten 2 of the trays of the pork roast batched up. I have 1/2 pound in each of these because each tray is 1.5 pounds. So on each tray, I took out 1 pound and then put the 1/2 pound here. I'm not sure if I'm going to make small 1/2 pound containers or envelopes, and I'm not even sure if I'm going to, I think I'm going to mix some sauerkraut in with some of these. So some will be pork and sauerkraut and others will just be the shredded pork. And because there are 20 oxygen absorbers in each bag, I wasn't sure how many bags I would have with pork roast, so I already put some chickpeas, 6 bags there, and then if I have leftover bags, I'm going to put the yellow split peas in the Mylar bags, and so that's what I'll be doing there. And that's it. That's pretty much what I'm prepping today. I will be back in a little bit and show you how it ended up.